And Santos of Potentials.com signing at our channel. So, meron din tayong book sale haul. Ayan po. Treasure of the Transformed Life. Ayan. And meron pa siyang free CD. Ayan. So, ano ba yung topics niya? Priming the palm, drawing water, jumping into the both feet, pennies in the fountain, offering a drink to others, filling the bucket to overflowing. Ayan po. So, it's actually a journal, So, hindi pa po, nabasa na po natin yung book sa kantay natin sa SM North EDSA the other night, waiting for Papsi sa SM North. So, ito na lang, we have to see the video kasama ng ating book. Yan, from book sale, isa lang po ang binili natin. Ayan, nagpigil-pigil tayo. Kasi sobrang dami na po ng books natin. I have to read. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Continue to read and be with books for knowledge and experiences. God bless you all. Thank you for watching.